Guys, welcome back to my bike shed. Today I'm packing up my camping gear. I already found out that the pump for my MSR cooker is not working anymore. That would be a disaster if I wouldn't have checked that. Luckily I did have a spare one on the shelf. Stuff like that I always keep, so I'm okay. So now I have to test it if it works, and then I can put it away with the rest of the camping gear to get packed up. Yeah, cooking on gas. Well, this problem is solved. This is my favorite travel lamp. It's from LuminAid and it's really excellent. You know, you just keep it out in the open and it recharges pretty good. You also have a USB charging port in it. They don't cost a lot of money, folds up really nicely, and it keeps the charge for a long time. So that's my favorite camping light. One of my travel companions I have for many years, and what I really like to take, are these Lonerider roll tops. But on my last trip I've really been a bit unlucky because they have these valves. Well, not anymore. I don't know how, but I just lost these valves. And the problem is, it's such a big hole. How do you fix it on the road? So this time around I will not take them. Just as well, I checked out my chair. You know, I had that for like 10 years, but finally the rubber bands on the, here we go, on the inside gave up. So I have to fix this. Luckily, me being me, I have them spares in the house. Right, chair is fixed. All new rubber bands on the inside. That will last a nice few years again. That would have been a disaster. The only bit of comfort I have on my trip . I know it looks a bit daft opening up your tent in the garage, but I just have to check if everything is okay, and it looks like it. All the zips are working. Everything is in order. Better safe than sorry. Just a quick note, this is my Lonerider ADV tent. I use it for years. I've been on many trips. I set it up 100 times. Never had a problem with it. So if you are a serious motorbike traveler, get yourself some serious tents. This is money well spent. So guys, tent is okay, sleeping bag is okay, cooking stuff is okay, mattress is okay, water, that's the one. I just picked up a brand new water filter. Tell you one thing, these things are important. One thing I definitely have to change is the aux packs on my Mosko Moto bag. They're pretty good, but you have these inserts who go in there and they're getting on the bottom, they're getting a bit narrow. Hold on a second, I just get some. So here they are. These are the Mosko Moto inserts for the little pouches on the side, and these ones are the Lonerider mini bags. And I have to say I prefer those because there's my whole cooking stuff in there, and it's just a much better form factor. The Lonerider mini bags are 6 liters and the aux bags are 5 liters. That makes a big difference. So what I do is I take those off and put my mini bags on the Mosko gear. I mean, I'm no gear snob. Whatever does the trick goes. So now I got the little pocket of the thing. All I have to do is now, with the molar system here, hang in the Lonerider bag and be done with it. It's still a bit of a fiddle, to be honest, to get that on there. So here we are, the Mosko Moto Lonerider hybrids. Now I gained an extra 2 liter of storage, and in my favorite format. Sometimes you have to adapt. Use what you got and make the most out of it. Right, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. South America is closer than I think. It really is. So keep it up and ride safe, stay safe, bye.